Great job showing all the things you noticed about our poem. Now we're going to listen to the form of the poem. What does it sound like? So we're going to read it together. I want you to listen to me. Then we're going to echo read. And then we're going to read as a group. And I want you to listen to the way that it sounds. I want you to listen to the rhythm. The rhythm is the beat. So when you're listening to a song and you feel the beat, you can clap along to the rhythm of the beat. That's kind of what we're listening for. Kind of like that sing-songy beat feel as you read the poem. We're going to listen for that and see if we can hear a rhythm in the poem, because that's another way that a poem functions. It has a little bit of a rhythm. Most songs are made out of poems, and these poems are the lyrics or the words to a song. So let's listen to this one. First, I'll read it to you, so you can just listen this first time. I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be a pal when you're in a bind. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. I can be a pal when no one wants to. I can be a pal every single day. I can be your pal. What do you say? Do you feel a little bit of a rhythm? Let's try it together. I'll do it, you do it. I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be a pal when you're in a bind. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. I can be a pal when no one wants to. I can be a pal every single day. I can be your pal. What do you say? Did you hear it? Did you feel it? All right, this time we're going to kind of clap along to the beat and move along to the beat. We're going to do it together nice and quick. Here we go. I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be a pal when you're in a bind. I can be a pal by saying please and thank you. I can be a pal when no one wants to. I can be a pal every single day. I can be your pal. What do you say? All right, that was really fun. It's fun to listen to the rhythm and the beat that are in our poems. We're going to listen to more poems this week and next week, and we're going to start to kind of track that rhythm. And you're going to notice that not every poem has the same kind of rhythm. It's very different each poem that you read. All right, next thing I want to listen to is the rhyme. I'm going to show you where I'm finding rhyme in this poem, and then you, on the next slide, are going to get to go to a class kick where you are going to get to find the rhyme in the poem. I'm excited to see what you come up with. All right, so we know that rhyming words have the same ending. Most of the time, that means they have the same family. We have always been finding rhyming words that have the same family. But in this poem, we're going to hear words that have the same ending, but the letters might not look the same. Listen for the rhyme you hear. I can be a pal by smiling at you. I can be a pal when you feel blue. You rhymes with blue. Good. So what you'll notice is I have you and blue. Do they have the same word family? They don't, but they do have that same ending sound, so they're considered rhyming words in our poem. I chose to make both of them yellow so that I can see that both of those are rhyming at the end of my lines. Okay? I'll choose a different color for my next two rhyming words. I can be a pal who is honest and kind. I can be a pal when you're in a bind. Kind rhymes with bind. Good. So I'm going to choose a different color, and I'm going to highlight in blue kind and bind. Now, do these have the same word family at the end? They do. Kind, bind, these words rhyme, these words rhyme. They have the same ending, they have the same ending. Kind, bind. All right, so if I go back into, I can actually even go ahead and box up those matching families because I do have the same word families this time. Now, where are you noticing our rhyming words keep ending up? Where are they? They're at the end of the line, right? Kind of interesting. They seem to be at the very last word in the sentence. And I see them lining up at the end of the poem's line. They're all on the right side there. Those are not the only rhyming words in our poem. But I don't want to show you all the rhyming words. I want you to show me what you can find. There are two more sets of rhyming words. On the next page, the next slide, when you click to the next slide, you are going to get a chance to find all of the rhyming words. You can highlight the same ones I found, and then I want you to find the rest of them as well. Read along with me as you look for the rhyming words.